Welcome back. In this lesson, we will just deploy this program and see if it will run. To do that, I'm going to start my canvas first. Let's place that here and do it that way. Okay. So that maybe I can close this so that we have more space. Okay, go to devices. The devices are switched on, all the physical connections are there, and we are online. We just have to deploy. Select all of them and say deploy. Okay, looks good so far. Lift, push, then retract. Excellent. Looks like the configurations that we made are very good. Okay, that is very good, and we shall end this lesson here.